this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cash out your USDT directly into your local bank account using the P2P peer-to-peer feature on Bybit. This method is great if you want to convert your cryptocurrency to cash and have it sent straight to your bank account. Before we start, make sure your Bybit account is fully verified with KYC, Know Your Customer. This is a security measure that ensures your identity is confirmed and it's necessary to perform any transactions. If you haven't done this yet, go to your account settings, look for the verification section, and follow the steps to upload your ID and complete the process. Once you're verified, you're ready to go. First, open the Bybit app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Assets section. This is where you can view all the different cryptocurrencies you own and manage your funds. On the Assets page, you'll see an account section with two options, funding and trading. It's important to understand the difference here. Your trading account is where you hold funds that you use for trading cryptocurrencies, while a funding account is used for storing funds that you want to withdraw or transfer using the P2P method. To sell your USDT and convert it to your local currency, your USDT needs to be in the funding account. In my case, you can see all my USDT is in the trading account, which means we need to move it. To transfer USDT from the trading account to the funding account, click on the transfer button. This will bring up the transfer page. On this page, you'll see options for which accounts you want to transfer from and to. By default, it might show trading to funding, but if it doesn't, make sure to select trading as the source account and funding as the destination account. Next, click on the cryptocurrency type and select USDT, since that's what we're transferring. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. For example, I'm going to transfer 10 USDT. Once you've filled in all the information, click on Confirm. A notification will pop up saying transfer successful. And now, if you go back to the Assets page, you'll see that your 10 USDT is now showing in your funding account. Now that your USDT is in the funding account, we can proceed to convert it into your local currency. To do this, we'll use Bybit's P2P platform, which allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users. Go back to the home screen by tapping on Home. Once you're there, look for the More button, usually represented by 3 dots or a grid icon, and tap on it. This will open up a menu with several options. In the search bar at the top of this menu, type P2P and then tap on the P2P option that appears in the list. This will take you to the P2P trading page. If this is your first time using P2P, you'll need to set up your payment method. To add your payment method, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the P2P page. A drop-down menu will appear, and you need to select User Center. Scroll down until you find Payment Method and tap on it. Here, you'll see an option to add a new payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method, and you'll be asked to enter your bank details. This includes your bank account number, the name of your bank, and the bank branch. Make sure that the name on your bank account matches the name on your Bybit account. Otherwise, the transfer might not go through. After entering all the details, double-check everything to make sure it's correct, and then tap on Confirm. Your bank details will now be saved and you're ready to proceed with the P2P transaction. Back on the P2P main page, you'll see 2 tabs at the top, Buy and Sell. Since we're looking to cash out USDT, make sure to select the Sell tab. Here you'll see a list of merchants who are ready to buy USDT from you. Each merchant will have different rates, so you can choose the one that offers the best price for your needs. Before you select a merchant, you need to set your payment method to bank transfer. Next, decide how much USDT you want to sell. For example, I'm going to sell 5 USDT. Based on the current rate, this is roughly equivalent to 7,900 Naira. However, I'm going to enter 7,000 Naira to make the transaction simpler and click on Confirm. Now, scroll down through the list of merchants until you see a red Sell button. Remember, you're looking for merchants with high order numbers and high completion rates. I'm going to select the first merchant who has completed 2,600 orders and has a 99% completion rate. You can choose whichever merchant you feel comfortable with. Click on Sell, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. You can scroll down to read the buyer's terms and conditions. After reading them, scroll back up and enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. In this case, I'll enter 5 USDT. Bybit will automatically show you the equivalent amount in your local currency. After entering the amount, take a moment to review the details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click on Sell. You'll now see the details of the pending payment. This page will show the buyer's details and the estimated time it will take for them to make the payment, which is usually around 30 minutes. You can contact the merchant by clicking the Contact Buyer button right here. And once it finishes loading, type Proceed with the payment. This lets the buyer know that you're ready to complete the sale. Now, we wait. The buyer will transfer the agreed amount of money to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank app or wait for a notification to confirm that the payment has been received. Once the payment has been made, you should receive a notification from your bank. Open your bank app and check your transaction history to confirm the payment has arrived. Here's my bank transaction history, and yes, the payment is there. Now I'm going back to the Bybit app to release the USDT. Do not release the USDT until you have confirmed that the money is in your bank account. If the payment hasn't arrived or the amount is incorrect, do not release the USDT. Always make sure the payment is accurate before proceeding. Once you've confirmed that the payment is correct and the money is in your account, then click on Release Now. You can read through all the information if you'd like, check the required boxes, and then click Release. You may be asked to authenticate the transaction by entering a code or using another security method. This is an extra layer of security to protect your funds. After you've authenticated, the USDT will be released to the buyer and the transaction will be complete. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out your USDT directly into your local bank account using P2P on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm almost at 500 subscribers and I'd really appreciate your support. Until next time, take care.